गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, भाइयों और बहनों, लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, सम्माननीय, पूजनीय, माननीय श्रोतागण, ऑफिशियल्स, प्रोफेशनल्स, डॉक्टर्स, मिनिस्टर्स, listeners throughout the world, devotees, followers, believers, those who are providing their valuable and precious time, not only time but also presence of mind, thought and ideas. I welcome Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today, now and here, we are discussing about the soul and super soul. How our soul is the part of super soul. Whenever, wherever, however, whyever and whosoever want to discover, to research on himself or herself, this is the true time to research on our body, mind, heart, soul. It's the right time because we have the electronic media, electronic devices, and these electronic devices tell us what's the power of radiations, waves, how the waves reaches one place to another, the place which is invisible, beyond to reach, but waves make them visible, radiation make them visible. Likely that the sound and light, these are also in the form of waves, rays. Student of science study these things. The speed of light and sound we study through waves. These waves help us to understand, to heal, to recover from many things that are very usual in our mind. So likely that spirit or soul, for the healing and for the recovering of the soul, only repetition and meditation of the words are necessary. If we don't have any words, don't have any sound, then God also exists at the soundless places. He resides, He lives also at the soundless and lightless places. But there is the great need to go beyond the physical materialistic body. When the word of spiritualism will start, then automatically this soul will reach at that level, at that stage which is beyond to reach. For that we cannot speak anything, we cannot write anything, we cannot even listen, we cannot even read. On little extent, on some extent, in the human body, in the physical materialistic body, we can just feel through the reading it some extent, which is a passive mode of learning. On some extent we can go through that things. As in the human body, for knowing the DNA, there are labs, but for knowing the power of soul and spirit, for knowing the meeting of soul and super soul, there is no lab, there is no chemistry lab, no physics lab, no biology, zoology. In all the branches of science, there is no labs to test the meeting of soul and super soul. It is uncounted and unlimited. So how a man can reach at that height? On some extent we can compare these things with our hormones. Hormones are not the visible part of organ of the internal body. Hormones are judged only through the extract, like the milk of cow. If we want to take, then by the hormones the cow gives us milk. By the secretion of hormones the cow gives us milk. Without the secretion of hormone, cow cannot give us milk. Likely that God is inside our heart, or in the other form we can say heart is God, no doubt. But who is in the heart, it does matter. If there is the form, any size, any shape, any figure in the heart we have, and we worship for them, so the consequence or result will come in our action definitely. In our heart, if we reach, and on the other hand, the best way is that feel that I am heartless, then that is equal to God's presence. Then that is equal to the presence of God, equal to soundless and lightless. Because if the man is alive, there is heart. If man is dead, who is inside that body? Who is inside that body? If soul has left us, if soul has left the body, but after that super soul is reside there. Super soul never goes away. If any person after dying, your physical parts, your physical internal organs carry anywhere, then he is carrying under the guidance and order of the super soul. So automatically super soul is reside there. Super soul is everywhere. So we cannot go away. If we are dead, it means not that the whole world is dead. So we are to be honest, sincere, while conducting, while talking, while doing any action. Action does not matter, but the thought, idea more matter than our action. Doctors, super specialist doctor knows this thing. They are well known these things. Directors and writers and psychologists, physiologist, physician, surgeon, and all the branches of science knows this thing. These are the basic fundamentals. Everyone knows. But the special thing about it is that our religious scripture is mega science. We cannot ignore the science. Science is the part of our mega religion. There we study the results, consequences for having the wisdom of super soul. That was written by not the common person. That were written by the super specialist, those who are beyond to reach. So there is no word to define them. There was the direct connection with the waves of heaven, with the waves of sky. So they wrote a great literature, a great form of scriptures, the holy books in all religions. Whether we study any religion, their destination is the same. Their ultimate goal is the same. Ways are different, no doubt. Skills are different. Likely that winners don't do the different things. Winners don't do the different things. They do the things differently. What's the difference between only and only of our thought, only and only of our ideas, only and only of our word of thought? But the power, on some extent, we can understand from the scientists, from the researchers, from the doctor's point of view, that is the form of energy. And about energy, it is said that energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. So likely that soul and super soul, these are immortal, unperishable. Body is mortal, but about energy, when we study the chapter of energy in science, there are two kinds of energy. One is potential energy and second is kinetic energy. Potential energy is that energy which makes us active to do something. But kinetic energy is stable, constant, permanent. Permanent, constant and stable energy gives us, makes us in the form of skeleton, in the form of bone we have, in the form of structure of the bone we have in body. That is the form of constant energy. That is the form of permanent, stable energy, or in other words, power. So that energy is equal to the noun. Noun, what is noun? Students study noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of anything. What kind of name that is? The name that is unchangeable. But names are also changeable there. Name itself is not changeable. Name